In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a debt calculator in WordPress. Unfortunately, since WordPress doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elf-site platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page that you're going to see. From here, I want you to head over to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then underneath forms right here, you will see calculator, which will be option number 2. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to the calculator widget page. From here, scroll down a bit, and then you will see this create widget for free button. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to the calculator template section. So from here, I'm going to scroll all the way down until we find mortgage and loan calculators right here. Click on that, and then option number 2 will be loan calculator, which is pretty much exactly the same thing as a debt calculator anyway. Now, bear in mind that this is just the default loan calculator. We can actually customize the calculator to your specific requirements, both in terms of functionality as well as the way it looks. And I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. So yeah, go ahead and choose a loan calculator here, and then click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen here. Then you'll be taken to the page where you can start customizing your debt calculator. So the first thing we're going to do is start customizing the back end of the calculator. So if you take a look on the left hand side here, you will see 3 fields. We have loan amount, loan tenor, and then interest rate. These basically reflect these 3 options that we have on the right hand side here that are part of the calculator, which we're going to use to calculate obviously the monthly installment right here. And then at the bottom, you'll see the calculations, which is basically the back end of the calculator. And that basically helps determine what the final output is going to be right here. So we have 3 different calculations. If you click on each one of them, you can see the formula here and all the other information that is part of this particular calculation. If you find that any particular calculation here is irrelevant to the type of debt calculator you want to build, then go ahead and simply click on action here and then delete. You can also do the same for the fields. And if you want to add additional functionality, so additional fields, then you're more than welcome to click on add field here or add calculation. And then it's pretty much as easy as that. As far as the formulas of the calculations are concerned, you don't actually need to know how to do this. You can actually go and click on generate with AI right here, and then basically just type in whatever type of functionality you're looking for. It's pretty easy actually. So yeah, I'm not going to go into too much detail about this. I'll leave this up to you to kind of like explore and build the debt calculator that you're looking for. But yeah, as far as the backend, that's pretty much it. On the left hand side here, you will see style and settings. These are the different settings that we can take advantage of to customize the visual aspect of the calculator. So for example, if you don't want this color of the line to be red, we can actually make it blue by clicking on this button right here and then changing this to blue. As you can see, it takes place immediately, and that also applies to the functionality of the calculator as well. So any changes that you make on the left hand side here will automatically reflect on the right hand side. That way you can easily keep track of any changes that you make, and you can basically test the calculator in real time to see if it's giving you the output that you need. But yeah, once you're ready to move forward with the calculator, go ahead and click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here, and then your debt calculator will be saved up. Then you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where we need to publish the debt calculator. So in the top right corner of the screen, you will see this publish button. Simply click on it, and then you'll automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and this is the place where we need to choose a plan. Now, since this is the first Elf-site widget that we are creating, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports 1 widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just starting out, this is probably perfect for you. But obviously, if you're required to use more than 1 widget, if you want to get more views, or if you want to unlock more functionalities, then you can obviously go for one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different ones that you can choose from, and if you pay annually, you can also save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, once you've selected a plan that works best for you, you will then be taken to the page where you can copy the code for your debt calculator. So it will look just like this, and from here, click on copy code, and let's head over to WordPress so we can start integrating it. Now, I'm already on my WordPress editor and on the page where I want to add my debt calculator to. So from here, in the top left corner of the screen, you will see this plus button. Click on it, and then in the search bar, search for HTML just like this, and then click on custom HTML to add a custom HTML block to your page. So from here, simply paste the code we just copied previously from Elf-site, give it a couple of seconds, and then click on preview, and then your debt calculator will be added to WordPress. As you can see, it's right here. It's fully functioning, as you can see. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to create a debt calculator in WordPress. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.